Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We have a Mulberry Antony messenger in lovely black grained leather to show you today. And it's just a gorgeous classic Mulberry design, classic practical Mulberry design. So I'll talk you through the features. We have got one canvas strap here, which is adjustable, so you can have it as a shoulder strap or a crossbody strap. And then we have a flat closure with that iconic Mulberry Postman's lock. So I'll open that and show you inside. So in there, just under the flat closure, we've got one nice big flat pocket there. And then we've got a lovely green suede lining. And then it's just one open compartment in there. And you can see we've got that little Mulberry tag with serial code on the back there too. The condition of this Antony, we have called the hardware fair. You can see on that Mulberry plaque, there is quite a bit of wear, quite a bit of scratching on that brass hardware. You can see underneath as well. So that is why we've called the hardware fair. The exterior and the interior we've called good. You can see that it's got a little bit kind of, the shape has squished and creased a little bit in areas, and those corners they've got a little bit squished. Actually, that leather is still lovely and glossy, you can see, and there's really kind of minimal marks for me to show you, and there's not actually too much wear to those corners. There is a little bit, but not a lot, and not really many marks, anything like that for me to show you on that leather. You can still see quite clearly that mulberry tree embossed into the leather there, and then the interior we've called it good. Again, there's not any kind of glaring signs of wear or marks of wear for me to show you, but just that suede lining, it's gone a little bit frayed, and there's areas where you can see where it's been sat on that flat pocket, and you can just see that it has been used where that little Mulberry tag's been sat. You can see you've got a little mark there, so that is why we've called the interior and the exterior good. But it's just got that lovely pre-loved Mulberry feel, and Mulberry just gets better and better as you use it, so it has got that gorgeous pre-loved Mulberry feel to it. It comes with the Mulberry dust bag, and if you wanted to know the exact measurements, you can go to the link in the description below. That link is the link to shop this Antony on our website, so armcandybagco.com. It should hopefully take you directly to this. If it doesn't and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold, but what you can do is get on our request list. You guys all love Mulberry so much, and there's loads of you on that request list, so just let us know that you love this, or whatever it is in mind, whatever requests you have in mind, just let us know, and then we can pop you on our request list, and as soon as we get in something you like, you can be one of the first to know, and we'll send you through an email with the link to shop. So yeah, hopefully you can get in there nice and quickly the next time. So that's your request list. As I said, exact measurements will be on the website, but I'll show you the size on me for reference. So we've got the strap kind of on a middle setting at the minute, and it's a nice big size. You could definitely fit a lot into there, and it's just such a practical, simple design, easy to get things in and out, and a lovely, nice big opening. So yeah, lovely and practical. The Antony is just such classic Mulberry design. So again, if you are interested in buying, go to the link in the description below. While you're on our website, have a browse through all the other beautiful Armcandy we have on there for you, and sign up to our newsletter to keep yourself updated on what we're getting in. We're getting in new bags every day, so sign up to that newsletter, and we'll also send you through your welcome discount code. And while you're on our website, have a look at the How to Sell With Us page if you have any bags that you'd like to sell with Armcandy Bag Co. All the details you need to know about selling with us are on that page, so have a read through there. And while you're here, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to our channel, and you don't miss out on any beautiful bags that we have to show you. We've got new bags to show you every day, so turn on that alert button, subscribe, turn on that alert button, and we'll see you very soon with some more.